looking to do is remove friction to services. We don't want people having to download 50 different apps into global real estate. We want single solutions across the globe for enterprise and all their staff, whether in multi-tenant environments or single HQs, it's all running on one platform.
With our new Apple Wallet functionality, we give you the ability to access your smart building using the Apple Wallet.
That can be on a mobile phone or even an Apple Watch.
Tap into the future is exactly that. The future is frictionless, it's seamless, it's tap-based. We can tap into our elevators, we can tap into our turnstiles, we can tap into our lockers, we can tap into our cabinets, we can tap into our workstations. We want to extend that experience, that tap-based functionality, everywhere we can.
You can tap into the future, you'd want to do it.